In this video we will be looking at differentiation to help us find the maximum profit of an item. First of all, we'll take a close look at the question. So, it costs you €10 per backpack to manufacture and distribute backpacks. If the backpacks sell at X euros each, where X is greater than or equal to €15 but less than or equal to €100, the number sold is given by the formula N equals A divided by X minus 10 plus B multiplied by 100 minus X, where A and B are positive constants. What selling price will bring a maximum profit? Note that €10 is the amount it costs you to manufacture and distribute one backpack. However, we do not know how much the backpacks sell at, so we use X to represent the selling price. Although we do know that X, the selling price, is somewhere between 15 and €100. In order to work out the number sold, we need to use a formula N equals A divided by X minus 10 plus B multiplied by 100 minus X, where N is the number of backpacks sold. To summarize, number 1, it costs you €10 per backpack, so C equals 10, where C stands for the cost price. Number 2, backpacks sell at X euros each, where X is greater than or equal to €15 and less than or equal to €100. So P equals X, where P stands for the selling price. Number 3, N equals A divided by X minus 10 plus B multiplied by 100 minus X, where N stands for the number of backpacks sold. So, the profit for one backpack equals the selling price minus the cost price, which is P minus C. Therefore, the profit for N backpacks equals N multiplied by P minus C. The summary box here at the side just shows you what each letter corresponds to, and we will use this to replace N, P and C. So now, filling in for N, P and C, we get P of X equals A divided by X minus 10 plus B multiplied by 100 minus X, all of that multiplied by X minus 10, where P of X stands for the profit of a certain number of backpacks. Now we have to multiply out this equation and present it in its simplest form. So first of all, we have to multiply the A divided by X minus 10 by X minus 10, which just leaves A, as X minus 10 divided by X minus 10 leaves 1, and 1 by A equals A. Next we multiply the 100 minus X by B, and also by 10 minus X, which results in 100bx minus 1000b minus bx squared plus 10bx. Adding 100bx to the 10bx, we get 110bx. So we bring that down, and we also bring down the minus bx squared, the minus 1000b, and the a. And then we get the simplified equation. If you were to plot this graph, it would turn out like this, an N shape, as the number in front of the x squared is negatives. As we are trying to find the maximum profit, our answer lies at the top of this N-shaped curve. This is the greatest value of P of X. Also, as you can see, this value is between 15 and 100, hence it is credible. In order to figure out the maximum profit, we must differentiate our equation. P of X equals minus bx squared plus 110bx minus 1000b plus a. P dash of x stands for the derivative of P of X. The derivative of this equation is as follows. Minus bx squared becomes minus 2bx. As we bring the power on the x down in front of the coefficient and multiply it by the coefficient, and reduce the power by 1, resulting in minus 2bx. We do the same again for 110bx, bringing the power of x, which is 1, down in front of the coefficient and reduce the power on x by 1, resulting in 110b, as x to the power 0 equals 1. The derivative of minus 1000b plus a is 0, as they are constants, not variables. Hence our answer is minus 2bx plus 110b. Next we make the derivative of p of x equal to 0. Minus 2bx plus 110b equals 0. Bringing the 110b to the right hand side, which changes its sign and gives us minus 2bx equals minus 110b, which is the same as 2bx equals 110b. Then, in order to isolate x, we bring the 2b across, which divides the 110b. The b's cancel, leaving us with x equals 110 divided by 2, which reduces to x equals 55. Finally, to check that 55 is in fact the correct answer, which gives us the maximum profit, we are going to fill in three numbers for the equation p of x. Since we know x has to be somewhere between 15 and 100, we fill in these two numbers, and we will also fill in 55 for x. Then we can clearly see which will give us the maximum profit. So, filling in 15 for x. P of 15 equals minus b multiplied by 15 squared plus 110b multiplied by 15 minus 1000b plus a. That equals to minus 225b plus 650b minus 1000b plus a. Adding all b's together, we get 425b plus a. Filling in 55 for x, we get p of 55 equals minus b multiplied by 55 squared plus 110b multiplied by 55 minus 1000b plus a. That equals to minus 3025b plus 6050b minus 1000b plus a. Adding all b's together and bringing the a down, we get 2025b plus a. Finally, filling in 100 for x, p of 100 equals minus b multiplied by 100 squared plus 110b multiplied by 100 minus 1000b plus a. Multiplied out, that equals to minus 10,000b plus 11,000b minus 1000b plus a. All the b's cancel out, so we're just left with a. From this, it is clear that 55 gives us the greatest profit. Hence, 55 must be the correct answer.